Understanding of our nation, and we also know where to go. There are many political forces that know where we are, but they don't know where we are going, and that is dangerous. It is important that any political leader that wants to be a leader for this nation must know where we are, what are the issues for now, but he must know and she must know where we must go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you and to invite for you a leader that knows where we are. He also knows where we are coming from, but he also knows where we are going. And it's none other than the Right Honorable Owek.Mpuuga, sir. Please, let us stand and welcome him as he comes to address us. I want to welcome all of us to stand and welcome the Right Honorable Owek.Mpuuga, sir.
Mumukubire ngale z'amaanyi mulabe bwanyiriro w'ekitiibwa oli mazima wanvu munyogere ennyangu kateebe kennyini oli muyinza bwanakulabwa ate onyirira ate oli muyivu omuteeketeeke mukone mu ngalo ezo w'ekitiibwa musajja mugezi ekirala musajja mukozi ekirala mwegendereza mukono okunaku gwa sibalimba tali amayirungi yadamyata tali wabisi yanono muteeketeeke
tujja nnimi muwulira. Thank you Omudingidi. Colleagues, members of parliament, colleagues and principals of the DA, and all of you, our distinguished national coordinators that have been presented here by Comrade Michael Mabike. DA! Can I hear you? DA! DA! New way! New way! Thank you. It's indeed a new day, and we are assembled here to announce a new way. I would like, first of all, to welcome all of you assembled this afternoon. Majority of you from up country did arrive here very early in the morning, and your long journeys were purposeful. You did not travel all the way from Gulu, from Teso, from Tolo, from the Renzori on a tour of Kampala. It was intentional, it was purposeful that you made the sacrifice to gather here this morning and still seated this afternoon. I want to thank you most sincerely. This Friday falls after a national debacle that we witnessed in Kawempe yesterday, or probably for 2 weeks. And I would like to take this opportunity to, in a special way, congratulate my brother and learned friend, the Honorable Nalukola, for coming on top of that debacle. I can't call it an election, but he surmounted a debacle that mirrored an election, or tried to resemble an election. So Comrade Nalukola and the National Unity Platform, congratulations. I very much understand and appreciate that yourself and your peers had to suffer the indignity of going through that debacle to be announced winner. The question of the day is that what we bargained for as a people? Was that our bargain as a nation at independence and after? Was that the dream and aspiration of our forebearers? That if we're looking for leaders, we must go through a humiliation never witnessed in the history of man for the sake of becoming leaders in this country. I would like to use the same opportunity to send my sympathies to the Fourth Estate, to a number of journalists and independent media practitioners